Good morning. This is Nalini, social scientist and psychologist. In today's Light Up Your Life topic, Art of Right Decision Making. Most of the people they may feel difficult which one is the right decision. In that way, they are spending more time. Sometimes it takes days, months also. There is a confusion. If I choose so and so, I may get problems. Like that, they are facing problem in decision making. It may be in getting job, choosing course. It may be a business. In several ways, we may get confusion. Even day-to-day activities, most of the housewives also getting confusion. What curry is good on particular day, like that, in different levels we are getting problems in taking decision. If you get any idea in implementing, you must think that one in an analytical way. Is it benefit, is it time taking, it may be another one also, financially is it suitable, like that. If we analyze that one in a proper way, we may get confidence. Okay, then you can implement that one. That is also one of the point. Another one also, making right decisions depending on your efficiency. It may be your talent, it may be your knowledge on particular point. It gives more confidence. Last time I did like this, these are the profits. So you wanted to improve another way, so adding some points, like that, there is a chance to get more confidence to implement that decision. We may get, that is also art of right decision making. We have to provide special attention while taking decision in organization. Decision making is a key to organizational success because they are spending lot of money on some of the projects. If we take trial and error method, it may be a chance to get loss to the organization. In that way, decision making is very important. Here, most of the leaders, managers, they are very serious in planning of every work. So it depends, right decision for the development of the organization. So is there any loss? It may be a very difficult to recover that one. In the beginning, if they implement limited amount on simple projects, by that one only they can invest more money on major projects. In that way, leadership quality is also very important in managing to the group of the people, then recruiting the members in the group. It's very important. Sometimes is there any failure, it's very difficult to recover. In that way, right decision is very important. Connected to the family also, we have to think more in decision making. Sometimes is there any plan to construction of the house, buying some costly item, like that only, choosing the branch to their children, then all these also essential. What are the resources, how to cope up all these? Sometimes is there any loss, it gives distress to all the members. In that moment, analyze that one, rethink, schedule. It is also very important before decision making. Sometimes we have to be flexible. There is a chance unable to fulfill the desires. It is not the criteria. What is the right one is important to get support to our ideas also. Family is one of the important source to tolerate the problems. Is there any failure? We need family support. Art of right decision making, we can refer to Mahabharata. In, so we are taking that one as a Bhagavad Gita, number one example to motivate. 700 years back in Mahabharata epic, Arjuna was in dilemma on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, war with his cousins. In that moment, Sri Krishna's words connected to the role of king in the kingdom motivated them to be as a good person in decision making. Present day, we know well connected to the COVID situation, most of the prime ministers, chief ministers choosing the right one to safeguard the people of the society. Like that, art of decision making in right way is very very important. Most of the wise people, they are following the good persons. That means whatever the business, whatever the project they want to start, they may refer different people in that way, who is wise, who got profits, who face the problems. All these give some lesson to implement their ideas in planning of major projects. So wise decisions are very very important. It gives chance for success in all fields. We are observing most of the government organizations also very serious for right decision making. Before planning of any act, they will arrange meetings with the political leaders, legal experts, educational experts. All these makes success of every act to apply that one for the public and well-being of the society. Like that, our decision making right one is very important, both professional and personal life. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any doubt, my website address http://nalinipelluru psychologist.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.